Hey, health enthusiasts! We've all heard the buzz about protein, the building block of muscles. But what if I told you that the path to muscle growth isn't just about chugging protein drinks? Are those flashy ads promising instant muscles really worth it? Well, today, we're cracking the code on protein drinks, the pros, the cons, and everything in between. Get ready for a deep dive into the world of protein supplementation. Don't miss out. Watch till the end to uncover the truth and make the best choices for your fitness journey. Let's roll. The foundation of muscles. We all know that protein is the essential building block of our bodies. It's like the Lego bricks that create our muscles, tissues, and even enzymes. And guess what? Protein supplements are everywhere. But the burning question is, can drinking protein shakes every day really lead to muscle growth? Let's break it down. Protein types and daily needs. There's a protein parade out there: soy, whey, egg, milk, you name it. These powders are loaded with around 20 amino acids, the tiny heroes that fuel our metabolism and support muscle development. But how much protein do we really need daily? If you're not a fitness junkie, around 0.8 to 1 grams per kilogram of your body weight is enough. For active folks, 1 to 1.5 grams per kilogram is recommended. And for the gym enthusiasts craving muscle gains, aim for 1.5 to 2 grams. Remember, more than 2 grams a day is a protein party your kidneys won't enjoy. To shake or not to shake? Is guzzling protein powder dangerous? In moderation, not at all. But excessive intake beyond your daily needs can put stress on your kidneys and liver. It's like inviting uninvited guests to a party. However, the same rule applies to real food sources of protein. Overeating meat or cottage cheese can be just as risky. So, it's all about balance. The convenience factor. Now, let's talk convenience. Picture a busy day or a road trip, situations where eating a hearty meal might be a challenge. This is where protein shakes shine. They're a quick and easy way to keep your metabolism fired up and prevent muscle breakdown. But remember, they're a supplement, not a meal replacement. After hitting the gym, your muscles are craving nutrients. This is when fast-digesting protein swoops in like a superhero. Enter whey protein. It's quickly absorbed, gentle on your stomach, and perfect for so. Here's the scoop: protein drinks are like sidekicks in your fitness journey. They're not magic potions for instant muscles, but they sure have their perks. Whether you're on the go, recovering after a workout, or managing your calorie intake while cutting fat, protein supplements can be a helpful addition. Remember, they're not a substitute for whole, nutritious meals. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you dabbled in protein shakes, or do you prefer natural protein sources? We'd love to hear your experiences. And while you're here, check out our other videos packed with useful information. Until next time, stay fit, stay informed, and keep thriving.